How to check if you have Applecare on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then go to Applecare and Warranty as shown. Here, you can view coverage status for all your devices and purchase coverage for eligible devices. Go to the This Device section and tap on your phone. As you can see, your Applecare coverage has already expired. If you need help regarding this issue, then go to the Need Help section below. And then, tap on Get Beside Apple Support. You can use the Apple Support app to schedule a repair, call or chat with an advisor, troubleshoot issues and more. Following these steps, you can easily check if you have Applecare on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.